In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a superset symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word to bring up and open the Microsoft Word, or you can simply open your document if you already have. And we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find all these tabs. Now we just need to simply click on the Insert tab, and here we can find symbol, okay? Click on this drop down and here we can find more symbols. Now for the font, we just need to simply click on this drop down and choose, okay, we need to choose Cambria, okay? For the subset, click on this drop down and then we need to choose mathematical operators, okay? Cambria for the font and for the subset mathematical operators. And we just need to scroll down. Okay, mathematical operators, and then we need to scroll down. Okay, and here it is. We can find the superset symbol. Okay, superset of. So as you can see, superset. So if you want to simply insert this, you can quickly do that. Click on insert, but you can also use a shortcut text so that whenever you are going to insert the superset symbol, just going to use your shortcut text. So click on autocorrect, and here we just need to simply replace it with backslash superset. Okay, and then click on add and click on OK. Make sure to remember it and then close this window. And now let's type, or let's make the superset symbol backslash superset, hit enter. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.